Hello and welcome to another training module from Cloudmasters Inc. In this session, we would be looking at multi-cloud and hybrid cloud adoption and best practices for managing multi-cloud environments. Introduction to multi-cloud and hybrid cloud. The shift to cloud computing has transformed how businesses manage their IT infrastructure, providing unparalleled scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. In 2024, multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments have become essential strategies for organizations aiming to maximize the benefits of cloud computing while minimizing risks such as vendor lock-in and service outages. Multi-cloud refers to the use of multiple public cloud services from different providers, e.g., AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, to meet different workload needs. In contrast, a hybrid cloud is an integrated solution that combines private cloud infrastructure, on-premises or virtual private cloud, with public cloud resources. Businesses are increasingly adopting multi-cloud and hybrid cloud models for several reasons. Distributing workloads across multiple clouds enhances fault tolerance. Avoiding vendor lock-in. Using multiple providers prevents dependency on a single vendor. Different cloud platforms excel in different areas, e.g., AI on Google Cloud, enterprise solutions on Azure, allowing businesses to optimize their cloud deployments. Hybrid cloud models allow organizations to keep sensitive data on premises while leveraging the public cloud for scalability. This helps to meet compliance and data sovereignty. This training module will explore the best practices for managing multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments, with a focus on achieving operational efficiency, reducing complexity, and ensuring security compliance. Section 1. Key considerations for multi-cloud and hybrid cloud adoption. 1. Assessing business needs. Before adopting a multi-cloud or hybrid cloud strategy, it is crucial to assess your organization's business needs. This assessment should include: identify which workloads are better suited for specific cloud providers. For example, machine learning workloads might be ideal for Google Cloud, while mission-critical enterprise applications may benefit from the security and integration capabilities of Azure. Evaluate data governance regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, to determine if sensitive data must be kept on-premises or in specific geographical locations. Hybrid cloud models provide flexibility in managing compliance requirements. Make sure to cost optimize. Each cloud provider has different pricing models. Assessing which provider offers the best pricing for specific workloads can result in significant cost savings. 2. Choosing the right cloud providers. Selecting cloud providers is one of the most critical decisions in multi-cloud adoption. Factors to consider include: evaluate the performance of different providers for specific workloads. AWS might excel in global reach, while Azure may offer better enterprise integration for Microsoft environments. Each cloud provider offers unique services that can benefit specific use cases. For instance, AWS is known for its extensive machine learning capabilities, while Google Cloud is favored for data analytics. Consider how well the cloud provider integrates with your existing on-premises infrastructure and other cloud services to ensure ecosystem compatibility. 3. Managing complexity and operations. Managing multiple cloud environments introduces additional complexity. It is crucial to establish best practices for handling operations, such as unified management tools, where you use tools like HashiCorp Terraform, Cloud Health, or AWS Control Tower to manage resources across multiple clouds from a single interface. These tools provide a consistent approach to provisioning, monitoring, and securing cloud resources. Automating deployments using infrastructure as code, IAC, is critical to maintaining consistency across different cloud environments. Tools like Terraform and Ansible can help automate resource provisioning and configuration. Implement a centralized monitoring solution, such as Prometheus, Datadog, or AWS CloudWatch, to track performance and troubleshoot issues across cloud platforms. Section 2. Best practices for managing multi-cloud environments. 1. Embracing automation and orchestration. Automation is essential for streamlining operations in a multi-cloud environment. With multiple cloud platforms, manual management becomes impractical. Automation tools ensure consistency and reduce the risk of human error. Use tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or Google Deployment Manager to define and deploy cloud resources programmatically to achieve infrastructure as code, IAC. This ensures that environments are consistent across all cloud providers. Container orchestration platforms such as Kubernetes and Docker Swarm allow businesses to deploy and manage containerized applications across multiple cloud platforms. These tools automate deployment, scaling, and maintenance tasks for container-based applications. Implement continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD pipelines, to automate the deployment of applications across clouds. Tools like Jenkins and GitLab, CI/CD can be configured to deploy code to multiple clouds simultaneously. 2. Security best practices. Ensuring security in a multi-cloud environment requires a comprehensive approach. Security policies must be enforced across all clouds to prevent vulnerabilities. Implement a zero-trust security model where no user or device is trusted by default. Every request to access resources is authenticated, authorized, and encrypted. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure all offer zero-trust solutions that include multi-factor authentication, MFA, and encryption of data at rest and in transit. Use IAM tools such as AWS IAM, Azure Active Directory, and Google Cloud Identity to manage access to cloud resources. Define granular permissions to enforce the principle of least privilege. Implement encryption for data at rest and in transit across all cloud providers. Ensure that sensitive data is protected by using cloud-native encryption services, such as AWS Key Management Service, KMS, or Google Cloud KMS. Multi-cloud environments complicate compliance because different jurisdictions have different data privacy regulations. To streamline compliance, use cloud governance tools like AWS Config or Azure Policy to continuously monitor for compliance violations. 3. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Disaster recovery, DR, in a multi-cloud environment ensures business continuity during a service outage or failure. To achieve multi-region redundancy, spread workloads across different geographical regions to ensure redundancy. This reduces the risk of downtime due to regional outages. Implement backup strategies across cloud providers. For example, critical data stored in AWS can be backed up to Azure or Google Cloud for redundancy. Set up automated failover mechanisms using load balancers and failover clusters to ensure that applications are available even if one cloud provider goes down. 4. Performance optimization. Optimizing performance across multiple cloud environments requires a proactive approach to monitoring and tuning. Avoid over-provisioning by right-sizing compute and storage resources based on actual usage. Most cloud providers offer cost management tools that recommend optimized resource allocations based on usage patterns. This ensures that resources are right-sized. For multi-cloud load balancing, use a multi-cloud load balancing strategy to distribute traffic across different cloud providers, ensuring that workloads are distributed efficiently. Solutions like NGINX Plus and AWS Elastic Load Balancer can be configured for multi-cloud environments. To reduce latency, implement edge computing solutions that bring data processing closer to the end users. Cloud providers like AWS and Azure offer edge services that can be integrated with multi-cloud environments to improve response times for real-time applications. Section 3. Hybrid Cloud Adoption Strategies. 1. Integrating public and private cloud resources. A hybrid cloud model enables businesses to keep sensitive workloads on premises while leveraging the scalability of the public cloud for non-sensitive workloads. Hybrid clouds support cloud bursting, where excess workloads are automatically offloaded from the private cloud to the public cloud during periods of high demand. This ensures that applications can scale seamlessly while minimizing the cost of maintaining excess infrastructure. Major cloud providers offer hybrid cloud solutions that simplify integration between private and public clouds. For example, AWS Outposts, Azure Stack, and Google Anthos allow businesses to extend public cloud services into their own data centers. Carefully evaluate which workloads should run on-premises and which should run in the public cloud. Mission-critical applications with strict latency requirements may be better suited for the private cloud, while less sensitive, scalable applications can benefit from public cloud elasticity. 2. Ensuring security in hybrid cloud environments. Hybrid clouds require robust security policies that apply consistently across both private and public cloud environments. Use tools like AWS Security Hub, Azure Security Center, or Google Cloud Security Command Center to monitor and enforce security policies across hybrid environments, which will provide unified security policies. Implement end-to-end encryption and secure VPN tunnels to ensure that data remains protected when transmitted between on-premises infrastructure and the public cloud to ensure data encryption and protection. 3. Hybrid cloud governance. Effective governance is critical for maintaining compliance and controlling costs in a hybrid cloud environment. Tools like VMware, vRealize, or Red Hat OpenShift provide a single pane of glass for managing both on-premises and public cloud resources and can serve as unified management tools. These platforms simplify workload orchestration, governance, and monitoring across hybrid environments. Implement a tagging strategy to track resource usage and allocate costs effectively across hybrid clouds. Cloud governance platforms provide cost visibility and ensure that resources are used efficiently. Conclusion. As businesses increasingly adopt multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies, it's crucial to implement best practices that optimize resource management, enhance security, and reduce complexity. By carefully selecting cloud providers, embracing automation, continued, and streamlining operations, organizations can leverage the full potential of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments. By adhering to best practices, such as adopting automation, implementing zero-trust security models, and integrating edge computing, businesses can enhance agility, optimize costs, and ensure high availability. This module highlights key strategies for managing the complexity of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments, including the use of unified management tools, centralized monitoring, and compliance management. As cloud technologies continue to evolve, staying ahead of these best practices will enable organizations to innovate while maintaining robust governance and security across diverse cloud infrastructures. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.